All right, kids, we're going to go to the mall.
We're also going to check in a hotel for us.
Okay, Mommy and Daddy.
Bye, kiddos.
Mommy and Daddy have been gone too long. Let's go find them. Okay, Sissy. Grover, why are people screaming? And why is there water coming? I don't know, Sissy, but I think it's a part of the show. Okay, let's go. Where are they? I don't know. My legs hurt. Let's take a break.
Oh my God, the boat is sinking. We need to find supplies and bring them to our kids.
Attention! All doors will be locked on. There are key card in the room. Oh no!
The announcer just said all doors are locked. We're trapped in here. Let's go upstairs and try to find an exit. Oh my God, hurry, brother. The water is coming. Let's go, Sissy.
We need to find a key card.
Okay, we have to search.
Keep searching.
Simon, Sissy, I found a room. All these doors are locked. Oh my God, the water, help, I slipped.
I give up. I think this is it, honey.
Me too. I love you, darling.
The water is rising.